Best regards. My name is Maria Hernandez Romero. I am a business administration student and I will answer questions from the social media forum. Do you believe we compare ourselves to others on social media? I think that on some occasions, yes. Since many people show perfect life, but the truth is that not everything is so perfect behind this screen. Finally, do you think the information displayed on social media inspires our actions? I think it inspires the although it depends more on our approach at the moment or what we are looking for regarding what we like and what we don't. Last questions. Can social media affect our mental health? Yes, I could affect us although some people more than others, but this depends on their emotional states. However, it is important to be careful with what we publish on our networks to avoid harming others. Thank you.